Hello friends, this video on application of derivatives part 15 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 14. Let's take one example. Here we have to find equation of both tangents and normals to this parabola at this point. I know tangent. To find equation of the tangent, the first thing I have to do is I have to find slope of tangent. And same thing for finding equation of normal, I have to find slope of normal. Slope of tangent is nothing but m of t is nothing but dy by dx, and slope of normal is nothing but minus 1 by dy by dx. Correct? So with this I can conclude that the first thing I have to find is dy by dx. So let's do that. I have y square is equal to 4ax equation. So if I differentiate both sides, I get 2y dy by dx is nothing but 4a, or I get dy by dx as nothing but 4a by 2y. Now dy by dx is found. Let's find for tangent slope. So tangent slope is nothing but dy by dx at x is equal to x0, that is 80 square, and y is equal to 280, that is nothing but 4a by 2y. Instead of y I'll write 280, and that is nothing but 1 by t. So my slope of tangent is 1 by t. Similarly, my slope of normal be nothing but minus 1 by slope of tangent, and that is nothing but minus 1 by t, that is nothing but minus t. So I have got slope of normal and slope of tangent. I have to find equation of normal and tangent. So let's find equation of tangent first. Equation of tangent is nothing but y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught, the general form. Here what is y naught? Y naught is 280 is equal to m is 1 by t here because I am finding for tangent, correct, this guy, into x minus x naught is 80 square, correct. Or if you solve this you get ty minus 280 square is equal to x minus 80 square, or you get ty is equal to x plus 80 square. That is my equation of tangent. Let's do the same thing for normal. I have to find equation of normal. I'll use the same general formula, that is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Here also y naught is same 280 minus 280, but here slope will change. Slope is minus t here, minus t into x minus x naught. Here is 80 square, correct. So if you solve this is nothing but y is equal to, I'll say, minus tx, and this will become plus 80 cube, this will become plus 280. So this is my equation of normal. You see, I could easily find the equation of tangent and normal. So what I did, the first thing I did was I found dy by dx, then I found slope of tangent and slope of normal. I have slope of normal, slope of tangent. I can easily find equation of tangent and normal since I know one point. Let's take one more example on tangents and normal. We have to prove that this curve x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k, both this curve cut at right angles if 8k square is good. Please pay a little attention here because this question is a little tricky. So let's suppose this is my two curves, correct. The question says we have to prove that these two curves cut at right angle. That means the tangents to these curve at this point of intersection are perpendicular. Alright, this means nothing but tangents to curve 1 and curve 2 at point of intersection, tangents are perpendicular. That means you have two curves, they meet at some point. Let's suppose that point is x0, y0. At that point, if you find the tangents, both the tangents, those two tangents are perpendicular. That is what the question says. So we have to prove that for this curve and this curve, the tangents at the point of intersection are perpendicular if 8k square is equal to 1. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the point of intersection. Once we have the point of intersection, then we can find tangents to curve 1 and curve 2 at that point. That means we have to find slope, or you can say that slopes. We can find slopes of tangents at these points. Once I have slopes of tangents at these two curves at that particular point, I can check whether these two slopes are perpendicular or not. So let's first find the point of intersection. To find the point of intersection, let's equate these two guys. The first equation is x is equal to y square, and second is xy is equal to k. Correct? So let's say in this fashion, instead of x, I'll write y square here. So y square into y is equal to k. I just merge these two equations. So with this I get y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3 is the point. If y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3, x is nothing but y square, and there is nothing but k to the power 2 by 3. So my x and y, that is the point of intersection, is nothing but k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. Or you can say this is nothing but x naught, y naught. Why? The point of intersection I found is k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. The very easy process to find the point of intersection, just merge these two equations and get a common value. Now I have the point of intersection. So let's find slope of tangent to C1, that is x is equal to y square at k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. Let's find this value. Correct? X2. So for this I have to find, this is nothing but dy by dx at x is equal to x naught, and that is nothing but dy by dx for this will be, because if x is equal to y square, dy by dx will be nothing but 2y. dy by dx, if you see x is equal to y square, if you differentiate both sides, you get nothing but, right here, x is equal to y square, this is nothing but 1 is equal to 2y dy by dx. Correct? Or my dy by dx is nothing but 1 by 2y. Correct? What I have done is I have differentiated the whole thing with respect to x. So I got dy by dx is 1 by 2y, where y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3. And this is nothing but 1 by 2 into k to the power 1 by 3. So this is my slope 1. I can say m1. Slope of tangent at to this equation, first curve at x naught, y naught. Now let's find slope of tangent to the second equation, xy is equal to k at same point, k to the power 2 by 3 and k to the power 1 by 3. So for this also I have to find dy by dx, correct, where x is equal to k to the power 2 by 3 and y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3. X is equal to k to the power 2 by 3 and y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3. Correct? So this is what I have to find. So here also I have to find dy by dx. My equation is xy is equal to k. Let's differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate x with respect to x, you get 1 into y plus x into differentiate y with respect to x, dy by dx. Differentiate k with respect to x, this constant, it is 0. So I get dy by dx as nothing but minus y by x. So this is nothing but minus y by x, where x is equal to k to the power 2 by 3 and y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3. This is nothing but minus y becomes k to the power 1 by 3 and x becomes k to the power 2 by 3. So this becomes nothing but minus 1 by k to the power 1 by 3. Correct? This is what we got. And this is nothing but M2, slope of tangent to curve 2. Right? This is curve 1 and this is curve 2. Now I have to prove that they are perpendicular. Since they are perpendicular, my both the slopes multiplication has to be equal to minus 1. That is, product of the slope has to be equal to minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular, the slopes of those two lines, if you multiply, that should become minus 1. So M1 is nothing but 1 by 2 k to the power 1 by 3 into M2 is nothing but this guy minus 1 by k to the power 1 by 3, and this has to be equal to minus 1. If you solve this, this is nothing but 2, this 1 minus 1 minus cancel, 2 into k to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Correct? But I have to prove 8k square is equal to 1. So let's cube both sides. So this is nothing but 8k square is equal to 1. And that is what I have to prove, and I have proved this, that 8k square is equal to 1. Then slopes of tangents for these two equations or these two curves at this particular point, at the point of intersection, are perpendicular to each other. So what we have done in this case, we have these two curves, we found the intersection of these two curves, and then we found the tangents to these two curves at the point of intersection. I got the tangent slope 1 has to be 1 by 2 k to the power 1 by 3 and slope 2 is minus 1 by k to the power 1 by 3. Since they are perpendicular, the product of the slope has to be minus 1. I used that equation and I found 8k square is equal to. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.